1. Char Siu Chicken at home. Let's get started. Salt, garlic powder, white pepper, 5 spice powder, sugar, Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, honey, sesame oil, Hoisin sauce, a little dark soy sauce, and Char Siu sauce. Now today we'll be using this delicious Char Siu sauce. You don't have to use it, but I recommend you do. And no, this is not sponsored, unless you're from Legamge and you want to. In which case... 以前喺屋企炒菜，淨係識得落少少鹽，乜嘢都唔識，味道得個鹹，一啲都唔好食。直到有一日我阿媽介紹呢個利錦記嘅蠔油，原來炒菜落少少就得㗎啦，又容易又食得好滿足。而家我煮親飯都會用利錦記嘅調味品，利錦記調味料方便又好味，餐餐陪住你。Lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of grated ginger. Mix it well. Make sure each piece is covered with the marinade. Now we will refrigerate overnight. The next day, we can bake it in the oven at 360 degrees for 15 minutes. Flip and add the honey sauce. Now let's put it back in the oven for another 3 minutes. Let's flip one last time and brush with honey again. Put it back in the oven for another 3 minutes or until your desired level, and that's it. But keep a close eye on it, because it will burn very easily.
真係睇到都流口水啊！
The great thing about this recipe is you can use chicken breast or thigh, whatever you like. You have to try this Char Siu chicken, it is unbelievable. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.